Hi everyone, it's Carly Spina, and I'm so excited to tell you guys about this wonderful opportunity to join the Co-Teaching Academy for next school year 2019, no, 2020, 2021. I'm going to show you a little bit of information about what Co-Teaching Academy entails. So this is a voluntary multi-year commitment between a classroom teacher or content teacher and a specialist of some sort. So we have so many different specialists in our district. We are so fortunate. This could be an EL teacher, a dual language teacher, an interventionist, LBS1, speech pathologist, LRC director, IIS, really any type of specialist. And it is a commitment to co-teaching literacy or another content area of your choice, but we do know that we are launching our continued rollout of our literacy plan. So that would be a wonderful thing for you to focus in on together so that you have a buddy, a partner to kind of navigate all of that with. And this is also going to provide you with a summer opportunity to be trained in your partnership with CPDUs. So again, during this time of Corona, we are being flexible in how we deliver that. So more on that in a minute. And then as part of the Co-Teaching Academy, this is going to be a commitment to a yearly professional learning calendar and coaching support to help you really implement all the pieces, all the components of co-teaching. So let's talk a little bit more about that professional learning plan. So partnerships are going to participate in an online training together. It's going to be either June 15th or August 14th, and you and your partner can decide. I know lots of folks have different things happening over the summer, maybe a little less travel, we'll see. But it is important that you guys sign up together because you both need to be at the same table hearing the same message at the same time. And we are going to navigate a little bit of synchronous learning with some asynchronous learning just to support, life today. And then you'll also, throughout next school year, you'll have monthly coaching sessions. So I would be coaching all of the EL bilingual dual language partnerships. And then Caroline Vengazzo and Sue Meyer are going to be supporting the other types of specialist partnerships. There is also going to be opportunities for half-day co-planning with your partner each trimester. So that's a really great opportunity to kind of navigate different situations, brainstorm together, share your struggles and your celebrations with other folks who are in the cohort, because I think we all learn best when we're learning together, and we can kind of share what's working and what we need support with. So that will give you an opportunity to have a sub. You'll have your coaches there with you, and then you'll also get CPDUs. So the EC through fifth grade stipend for the year, yes, this is a paid opportunity to further your professional growth. It is $1,050 per participant, and that would be kind of set apart in your paychecks throughout the year. And then the co-planning expectation, it is really truly an expectation. You do have to have designated, dedicated plan time each week together. And that would be built into your schedule and then submitted for grant compliance. And then all participants will receive a copy of these wonderful professional resources. One is written by Andrea Honingsfeld, who is like the guru for collaboration for English learners, multilingual learners. And then Wendy Morawski has this beautiful book about collaborative teaching for elementary schools. So we'll be pulling a lot of resources and great learning from those texts. So you'll get both, regardless of which partnership you are in. Other considerations that you might have, let me see if I can skip to my next slide here. Moving my screencast screen. So some other considerations and commitments to kind of think about. So for the specialist, you have to commit to being present from day one as the classroom teacher, or as the classroom is kind of getting to know each other and establishing the routines and procedures. You must commit to being a member of the grade level team and attending all their team meetings and everything like that. And then you commit to all students in the class with, of course, some targeted students in mind, whoever is on your caseload. As the classroom teacher or content teacher, you must commit to partnering with your co-teacher, your specialist, in establishing all those routines and procedures starting on day one. So it's always that equal balance, that equal partnership. You must advocate for the inclusion of the specialist as part of the grade level team member. And then you are committing, of course, to all the students in your class, and you may also have some targeted students in mind. And then for our administrators are committing to supporting the partnership as a singular unit with two individuals with beautiful skills and talents. They must honor the scheduling commitment of the unit. And of course, as all of us, we are committing to all students in the class. So if you guys have any further questions about Co-Teaching Academy, feel free to reach out to a member of the cohort if you have questions, or you can always contact me or Caroline Vingazzo. Another frequently asked question is, do I always have to be in that classroom daily during that content? Yes, you have to be. That's one of the big commitments for co-teaching, is being present every day. And then there is a link in here, and then we'll attach it to the flyer as well, so that you guys can see all of the wonderful success, beautiful stories and anecdotes and pictures and videos of our amazing educators who were a part of Co-Teaching Academy this school year. So I hope you'll consider joining the co-teaching cohort for next school year, and let us know if you have any questions. If you are interested, please email me, and then also you and your partner can write an email to your principal to let them know of your interest. Thanks so much.